I have a special assignment for you that will require a bit of subtlety. We are at a complete loss as to why the normally reclusive Virans are fighting for the Empire. Little is known of their culture, save that it is based upon a strict code of honor.
I certainly wouldn't call slaughtering civilians honorable, General.
Which is why this situation is so puzzling. We have recently begun observing Viran transport ships operating out of the Imperial base in the Reven Islands. We need you to command a stealth mission into that base to gather intelligence.
Right, you lot. This is a stealth op. You will not receive medals for double-figure body counts. We're here to steal information on the Virans. Silently. Understood?
Gotcha, boss. How we getting in there?
There are some hydroelectric power plants nearby. We'll take one out and wait for a response. Shouldn't take long.
So we wreck a power plant, the imps send out a repair truck to fix it, then we steal it.
Close. You're going to steal a truck from the nearby vehicle depot and then lay low where the others take out the power plant. They'll also take care of the first repair truck, which is likely to be escorted by Legionnaires.
So why do we need 2 trucks?
We don't. Look, Rho, just trust me.
Okay, sure. You're the boss.
Considering done.
I'm on it, boss.
Enemy taken down. Termination successful. He's down for the count. I'm tracking a new target.
I'm on it, boss.
I'm on top of it. Consider it done. Consider it done. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. Consider it done. Consider it done. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. We're compromised. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. My thought exactly. Enemy taken down.
Tagged and bagged. Leave it to Sarge. I'm on it, boss.
My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it. Consider it done.
I've got contact. One more ahead for Rho.
Now get out of sight. Won't be long before they send a patrol to investigate.
Consider it done. I'm on top of it. Consider it done.
Leave it to Sarge.
More bad guys.
The patrol is history. Now get on with it,
I'm on
Sergeant.
top of it.
I'm on it, boss.
Consider it done. I'm on top of it. Consider it done.
I'm on it, boss.
Enemy in my scope. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it.
Sarge does what Sarge does best.
I'm on top of it. Consider it done. Consider it done.
Right between the eyes.
My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. I'm on top of it.
I'm on it, boss.
My thought exactly. My thought exactly. Consider it done.
I'm on it, boss.
Consider it done.
Leave it to Sarge.
I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. My thought exactly. Consider it done. Consider it done. I'm on top of it. Consider it done.
I've got contact.
My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. My thought exactly. Consider it done. My thought exactly. My thought exactly. My thought exactly.
I'm on it, boss.
Consider it done. Consider it done. My thought exactly. 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 Consider it done. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. My thought exactly. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. Consider it done. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it.
Sarge has got himself a slightly used truck.
I'm on top of it.
Move it away
Right,
from the
sir.
rest of the vehicles. Play it cool and don't
Right, sir.
approach the base until I tell you. I'm
And
always
forward.
cool, boss. Sergeant, you're clear
You got
out of
it,
the
sir.
base with the truck.
Right, sir. Hey, wait a minute. Where's your escort, soldier?
Well, they went to check on some energy reading. Told me I better get on back.
Strange. They should have radioed in.
Well, probably interference from the power plants. Worthless pieces of shite. We can go and find them if you want.
Yeah, well, my shift ends soon. All right, you can keep going.
Thanks. See ya. That was a close one, boss.
Get to a terminal in the command building and download everything you can.
No problem. Sarge knows what he's doing.
My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly.
Leave it to Sarge.
Boss, I'm in trouble. Leave it to Sarge. I'm on it, boss. Right between the eyes.
I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. Consider it done. Consider it done. My thought exactly.
Leave it to Sarge.
My thought exactly.
Sarge does what Sarge does best.
I'm on top of it.
Sarge does what Sarge does best. Sarge does what Sarge does best.
My thought exactly.
I'm on it, boss.
Hey,
Consider
boss.
it done.
This place is full of pressurized gas canisters. Got weird markings on them. Probably
Enemy over
firing.
here.
Anything else?
My thought exactly.
Well, there's a sign
We're
here.
pinned
It
down.
says Zethane Storage 12. That's strange. What's that doing in the middle of an Imperial base? Zethane has no military use. It's just a harmless trace gas found in some planet cores. Well, they have to be using it for something.
Sarge does what Sarge does best. I'm on it, boss. I'm on it, boss. Boss, enemy spotted.
Get me out of here. I'm on top of it.
Sarge
Command
does
building
what
locked into a terminal and ready to hack the core archive. Worst security encryption I've seen in years. Hurry up, Sergeant. There's something approaching the base. Download complete, boss. I think I damn near got the whole database. Rho, hold up. There's a motorcade entering the base. Whoever's paying a visit has brought along some serious firepower. Boss. It's Imperator Vlana. I recognize her markings on the units. Sergeant, we didn't plan for this. Get out of there while you still can. Try to kill the anti-air defense's power supply inside the base so I can call in a Helidyne to extract you.
Consider it done. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it.
I'm on it, boss. I'm on it, boss.
We're pinned down. I'm on top of it.
One more head for Rho.
I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it. My thought exactly. I'm on top of it. My thought
Boss plugs
exactly.
pulled on the AA.
Consider
You
it
can
done.
send in the Helidyne.
Consider it done.
It's on the way. Get to the evac point.
Consider it done. Consider it done.
Sarge does what Sarge does best.
Consider it done.
Sarge does what Sarge does best.
My thought exactly.
I'm at the evac point, boss. Just wish I could have put a plug in Vlana's tailpipe before I left.
It can't
We'll
be
get her
done.
next time, Sergeant.
Well done, Captain.
Thank you, General. What's the status on the data we collected?
I have sent the data to Dr. McNeil for analysis. You got a lot of data, Captain. It is in a very disordered state at present, with a lot of useless information obscuring the important parts.
We didn't actually have time to be choosy, General.
True. I will make the doctor's report available to you as soon as it is completed. Warhurst, out.